It is 6:30 a.m. right now, and Rebecca and I woke up at like 5 plus to get ready. For our road trip, we are going to Penang for a surprise proposal of my older sister. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go!
Let's go!
Rebecca and I have arrived to our first destination. We are going to have our breakfast here at this place called Can. Here I got myself a yuzu drink because it's just refreshing and I need refreshing. Rebecca got the charcoal latte, and this is their very famous dessert.
Good.
This is Rebecca's squid ink pasta. Thank you. This is grilled chicken with their signature brown sauce. I typically go for black pepper sauce, but since she said it's their signature sauce and I don't know, she was hyping it up lah, so I'm just gonna try it. How does it taste? Alright, I think I would stick to my black pepper. Yep. We're dropping by Gurney Paragon because we need to get some groceries. And this girl, I stupidly didn't bring my outfit for the yacht. She acts like she's angry, but we all know that she loves shopping. We're going there. Wow, this place is huge. We are on a mission to look for blue shirts. There is even this type. There's this one. Rebecca, you need an outer coat, not a... I'm liking this shirt. Next up is Jaya Grocer for groceries for our charcuterie board. You just take the Malaysia one. How much do we have in our budget? Spicy. Next is crackers. I don't know if we're doing it right, but we're getting there. I really wanted to try this, so I think I might get this one. We're done with some groceries, and now we have to go and get like paper plates. We are in Mr. DIY because that's where the cheap stuff are. White plates. There's no blue plates, or is that asking for too much?
There got blue ones.
So ugly. Fruit knife for sanitary reasons. Our second round of groceries just for cheese is at Mercato. We don't usually shop at Mercato because it's like the more pricier range. So they don't have the cheese section that we're looking for. But we're just gonna get the regular cheese. Take the bag. We are checking into our hotel. Okay, we've just got into our room, and first impression, we love it already. It's super huge. I'm just gonna give you a quick room tour because we have to rush to freshen up and then we have to head to the yacht. This is the corridor. There is even a swimming pool here. From the entrance, we have a couch and like a dining area, if you will. And then there's the TV, a mirror. This is the toilet. The toilet is separated from the bathroom. And there's a freaking bidet! That's the bidet check for you. There is a mirror and a sink. And this is the shower room. This is a huge ass mirror with robes. This looks so traditional. And this is our bed. And that is all for the room tour. Now we have changed into our outfits to follow the blue color theme because blue color is my sister's favorite color. So we all are dressed in blue and now we are ready to go. Someone's in her new outfit. This is working so well. Shut up. It's like her forgetting her outer shirt is meant to be. We are on the way to pick up two of her best friends, Wawa and Simran. The prep has begun because we are running slightly late. These are our laborers.
Yeah, the pregnant labor.
We are all getting ready to go onto the yacht. Hopefully it doesn't rain. We are now on the yacht. Just waiting for the couple right now. And we have our balloons. Everyone's in a hurried manner. Looking good though. The VIP is there. We're all just hiding here because she's not supposed to know that we are here. Everyone is hiding here. Oh, she's no, not yet. This is the ring. We're not sure if she can actually see us through the tinted glass, so we're just like hiding from her right now.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Surprise!
Oh my god!
Yeah, we're celebrating.
Yes.
Eh, you wear same colour baju also. Nampak lah.
Dah, scrambling.
Okay, jom ambil gambar.
Wow!
What's that? So fancy.
Oh, wow.
He's gonna do it now. Let's go. Hey, you want to take pictures stand up, huh?
Oh my god!
Never mind.
So there's height because the
What's very dangerous or is the bad people inside there?
TikToker in action. Don't know what she did. Wow, choosing song now.
Yeah, boom shakalaka. Actually, you're supposed to continue.
Wow, not bad. We are ending the night with dinner at the Loft at Lovely. Rebecca and I have just gotten back to the room and we are super sleepy. So Rebecca got herself some cold brew coffee to wake herself up to do some homework, while I'm so ready to go to bed because I'm running on 3.5 hours of sleep. Imagine that. I'm vlogging my trip. We're packing up right now, ready for checkout soon, but we're going for breakfast first. This is my outfit for today. It's super comfy. This is the face of my big boss. And to go with it, I'm gonna use my Armani Privé. Ooh. Finishing off with a cap. oyster egg, right? Omelette, oyster omelette. Oyster omelette? Oh yeah, oyster omelette. So we've only stayed here at Manchego for one night and it's definitely not enough. And next time we will be back. Hopefully they will invite us back. We intended to walk over to OO White Coffee, which is where we will be having our breakfast. But it's just way too hot right now. So we're just gonna get a grab. Yay! We have arrived at OO White Coffee. This is what we came here for. Although there's a queue, from experience it moves pretty quick. And the people in the restaurant are really nice. So they're not like intimidating or like very rushy. So should be stress-free. We got in because we only have 2 people. So we came here 2 years back. If you're interested to see what we got the last time, which is actually the same thing we are getting this time, you can watch it in the link up here. Oh my gosh, so I ordered the large oyster omelette. Crispy. It's supposed to be 20, but he only asked for 10. So we're gonna get more. Ooh, this is my favorite oyster omelette from years and years back. Oh, you can hear the crunch. Oh, so good. Our takway just came. We also got some egg tarts. These are Portuguese tarts and this is a regular egg tart. And this is Rebecca's favorite supao. So weird one, right? I'm correct, right? Yep, you're correct. We are going to a tea house. We got ourselves 2 iced matcha lattes and a matcha Swiss roll. Swiss roll is good. The weather is so crazy. One moment it's drizzling, it's rainy, and the next is super hot. So we are going to La Vie en Rose, our final stop of the day. Now we are going to there. This is the Fruit of Eden tea. This is a lemon tart and some peppermint tea for me. Not gonna lie, actually I feel like puking right now.